You know I really fucking hate Quaranta. Yeah, I know. Holy fuck. Dude, what? You have corona, don't you? What the fuck do you mean? Dude, everyone knows if you cough you got corona. Bullshit. It's just a cough. Cough my ass, get the fuck out of my house, you sick fuck. Dude, we're brothers, you can't kick me out. I don't give a fuck, bitch. Get the fuck out. But get out now. Really? Dude, it's just a cough. Oh, so when I cough you act like I have corona, but when you cough it's no big deal. That's right. You're a fucking hypocrite, you know what, I'm leaving. If it means I don't have to deal with your hypocrisy. Fuck this. Fuck your house. Burn in hell, bitch.